Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all notifications on time and every time. During this video, if you find information useful, please like this video. Remember that a lot of hard work is done in the background to get you all this useful information. Today is Monday, 5th of September 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in Australia. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 carats gold without GST or without VAT is 81.12 and with VAT or GST is 89.23. 22 carats gold 1 gram price without tax is 74.47 and with tax is 81.92. 21 carats gold without tax is 70.98 and with tax is $78.08. 18 carats gold 1 gram price without tax is 60.84 and with tax is 66.92. 14 carats without tax price is 47.46 and with tax is 52.21. 10 carats gold 1 gram price without tax is 33.83 and with tax is 37.21. 6 carats gold without tax price for 1 gram is 20.28 and with tax is 22.31 Australian dollars. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video. Remember that the tax rate in Australia is 10% out of 100. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.